I'm Mike Porter with East Coast Yacht Sales, and welcome aboard Cielo. Cielo is well equipped with the Caterpillar 650 horse diesels. She cruises at about 18 knots, burning just under 50 gallons an hour, and she's very easy to maneuver around the dock with her side power, bow and stern thrusters. She's got a full Garmin electronics suite and is very well equipped and very well maintained.
All right, so here we are on the dock in Mystic, Connecticut, taking a look at Cielo, beautiful 2020 Sirena 58 Flybridge. We've got the brand new high field inflatable there on the Marquip chocks. These owners have kept extremely good care of the boat. You can see that really nicely at sunset. It's the best time, sunrise and sunset are the best time to see any imperfections on the boat or perfections. This boat is looking awesome. We'll take a jump onto the swim platform here and start down in the utility room. The laundry room setup. Got separate washer and dryer. Really nice situation here. And then you've got the stainless steel basin sink with the toilet here. You do have the hookup up here for the shower, so this is a great sort of utility space for everyone to use the bathroom while swimming on the swim platform. We're right there, rinsing off a dog or whatever. Pretty nice spot here. You've got really everything you need. These washer and dryers go where we sometimes do the crew berth right here, and so that is obviously still, you've got that little pocket there where the feet go for the crew berth, so you can see how that sort of sets up. And these folks just did the separate washer and dryer back here, which is a really nice setup for owner operators. And right here on the port side we have our whale wash down shower, hot and cold water there. Got a beautiful almost golden hour sunset here on the Mystic River. Typical of Sirena, this massive aft cockpit here, really big space for entertaining. Love this area, and this time of night is when you can envision yourself having a glass of wine back here. And from here we will go right up onto Flybridge. If the aft cockpit wasn't enough, this is just another magical place up here. Really love this area. We've got the two lounge chairs. Give you guys a little view of the Mystic River here. We've got the Sirena shower up here on the up on the Flybridge. The Kenyan stove, sink right here, and we've got a isotherm fridge below, storage over here on this side. And moving forward to this GRP unit, we've got the ice maker and some more storage here, dedicated storage. Storage all under these settees. It's all wide open storage, so said storage a lot here already, but that is a theme on this big 58 footer. It's set up for longer passages. And at the helm we've got our Garmin displays, very similar to what's down below, pretty much identical, a little bit different layout. We've got our Garmin GPS map displays, the Seakeeper readout, our CAT displays, radar, depth sounder, autopilot, all that is up here. We do have our bow and stern thrusters that are the proportional ones, so you can sort of feather them over from low to high, and the big double stid seat. Unique feature on this Sirena is the ultra leather exterior cushions, just really the white piping dress the boat up quite a bit while still being robust in the outdoor conditions. These owners have chosen to leave the teak on the gunnels here bare, which is the way they come from the factory. The way a lot of people like to do it too. You could varnish these or do whatever you want to them, but this is a low maintenance way of keeping the boat fresh without having too much annual maintenance. I love this ultra leather. It looks really nice up here on the bow. Cup holders, we've got the pop-up lights, speakers, and the Fusion sound system dedicated up here. Storage on both sides. And over there as well, there's storage up here. LaFrance stainless steel windlass with the plow anchor. Take a look in the anchor locker here, all chain, huge, massive area down here. Never wonder where you can put lines or fenders or anything like that. These big walk-arounds, every time you walk down them, reminded of, we're at the dock, but how safe this boat is. Yes, it's category A, offshore, CE rated, but being able to come out here, even in heavy weather, is just a huge positive. It's hard to see really, even with the wide angle, but how big this open space is. You really need to see it to experience, but this open space, this one step, is really all we have from this settee back here all the way up to the helm, all the way forward before you start going down below. We've got some shadows up there, but the open layout, I mean, this is what people are designing their entire homes around, is stuff like this these days. It is awesome. We've got the L-shaped galley here aft, open to our entertaining area here in the cockpit. We've got Miele appliances throughout. So we've got the oven right here, 4-burner induction stove with the vented hood there. Very nice to have that, rare on boats. We've got the dishwasher here, the dual basin stainless steel sink, Miele refrigerator, and down below the Miele freezer. We've got some storage, and then access to our Fusion sound system, some other storage right there, and then up top is the battery switches. Just to port here, we have some extra galley drawer storage. So nice pantry here, pots and pans, really nice big box of storage there. And then moving forward into the salon, we've got the smaller L-shaped settee, to starboard, and to port is the more U-shaped with the high-low table. So this table drops all the way down, folds over. This does turn into a dining table, which you guys have seen the demo on that in the past. Very nice entertaining area here when you're not, when you move inside from the Flybridge and or the aft cockpit. We've got the TV that pops up here on a lift. Before we get to the helm, we've got the dedicated Sirena dishware set here. Very nice to have a specific spot for all of those items when underway. And you can see that continues there. And at the helm here, moving to port, we've got our breaker panel here, AC and DC systems, all nicely laid out. Easy to access from the helm, easy to keep tabs on things. And then you saw me up at the Flybridge, almost identical helm here, a little bit different arrangement of the systems, but all the same as up there. Zip wake trim tabs, those are the Interceptor trim tabs with the auto trim. We've got the Garmin VHF, all the other bells and whistles. Really easy to handle these boats with bow and stern thruster and direct drives. So navigating in and out of the dock is quite simple from both steering stations. If you're nervous about that, we do have the joystick docking from Dockmate or Yacht Controller, or there are a couple other competitors out there. Really awesome situation. You just wear it around your neck, you hold it in your hand, you can walk anywhere on the boat with it and drive the boat exactly like you would an IPS boat with a joystick, or in Yacht Controller's case, you know, can with twin engines, balance, stern, thruster, anywhere on the boat. You can do it from the swim platform, you can dock it from the bow. And that's really helpful if you're not as used to a bigger boat. And let's start all the way forward in the VIP stateroom. Love the decor on this boat. These guys have done a nice job. Samsung flat screen TV, nice flush mount up there. We've got hanging lockers, port and starboard in this stateroom. Nice drawer storage below the berth, and a full head here, stand-up stall shower with the rain shower head, toilet, basin sink, all that good stuff. And moving aft, we're going to get to the day head, which doubles as the head for the third stateroom. So as we go into the second head, we're reminded that this is a 3 stateroom, 3 head boat with that 4th head back on the swim platform. So that works as a day head, you know, when you're swimming off the boat in the Bahamas and whatnot. Easy place to use the toilet, wash your hands. We do have a toilet here in this head, and then we do have the stall shower. This is what's known as a wet head. We have the shower curtain that goes over in the track here. So that goes all the way around, and then you've got the drain in the floor, so you can take a shower in here. This is known as a wet head without its separate stall shower. And you've got this door, access from the hallway, and in the evening time, close that door, and you know, this is the private access just for this third stateroom here. So twin berths, fore and aft. Nice little porthole in here, some storage. And the thing I like about this stateroom, you can't really see it too well in most of the videos, but we do have 2 steps down here. So when I step into the stateroom, I'm holding this at eye level. It looks like I'm gonna be in sort of one of those little coffin berths that you see so often on smaller boats. And you know, standing down here, I've got tons of headroom, and you know, then when you lay in the berths, there's no feeling of claustrophobia at all, like you see in a lot of third staterooms on boats. So really nice area here, and then this is that access to that same wet head that I just was in from the indoor. And the third and final stateroom, the primary stateroom. Even though this walnut wood is one of the darker colors I suppose you can pick from Sirena, it is so bright and light down here in this master stateroom. The white overheads and these huge picture windows, port and starboard, really make this just a very special area down here. Love this space. Hanging lockers, port and starboard. We have easy access there. We've got our bureau here on either side, the vanity. Then over to starboard, we've got the short bench settee, another bureau, and the master bath here just forward of that. Stall shower here. Got our toilet, nice big basin sink, some medicine cabinet behind that mirror. And I haven't mentioned it yet, but these teak floors in the heads are awesome, easy to clean. And we'll check out the mechanical space. And one of the highlights of the Sirena is, of course, this oversized engine room. Down here we've got the 650 horse Caterpillar diesels. We've got our Seakeeper right here underneath this diamond plate. That gyro stabilizer, everything all really nicely laid out. We've got engine room intake and exhaust fans on either side. We've got a Kohler generator back here. And all of our systems nicely laid out. Dual Raycor filters, Webasto air conditioning with reverse cycle heat, and that shore power reel.
Thank you for watching this walkthrough tour on Cielo. If you have any questions about this Sirena 58 Flybridge, please feel free to call, text, or email me. My contact information is right below the video. Thanks.